Hi friends, we're going to guess some amazing sea animals. Are you ready? Let's dive in. What sea animal is this?
Dolphin. Dolphin.
What sea animal is this?
Shark. Shark.
What sea animal is this?
Octopus. Octopus.
What sea animal is this?
Sea turtle. Sea turtle.
What sea animal is this?
Seahorse. Seahorse.
What sea animal is this?
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
What sea animal is this?
Starfish. Starfish.
What sea animal is this?
Clownfish. Clownfish.
What sea animal is this?
Whale. Whale.
What sea animal is this?
Crab. Crab.
What sea animal is this?
Lobster. Lobster.
What sea animal is this?
Stingray. Stingray.
What sea animal is this?
Squid. Squid.
What sea animal is this?
Penguin. Penguin.
What sea animal is this?
Sea otter. Sea otter.
What sea animal is this?
Eel. Eel.
What sea animal is this?
Pufferfish. Pufferfish.
What sea animal is this?
Manta ray. Manta ray.
What sea animal is this?
Orca. Orca.
What sea animal is this?
Barracuda. Barracuda.
What sea animal is this?
Hermit crab. Hermit crab.
What sea animal is this?
Angelfish. Angelfish.
What sea animal is this?
Narwhal. Narwhal.
What sea animal is this?
Swordfish. Swordfish.
What sea animal is this?
Blue tang. Blue tang.
What sea animal is this?
Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish.
What sea animal is this?
Shrimp. Shrimp.
What sea animal is this?
Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
What sea animal is this?
Sea lion. Sea lion.
What sea animal is this?
Parrotfish. Parrotfish.
What sea animal is this?
Lionfish. Lionfish.
What sea animal is this?
Porcupine fish. Porcupine fish.
What sea animal is this?
Beluga whale. Beluga whale.
What sea animal is this?
Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark.
What sea animal is this?
Walrus. Walrus.
What sea animal is this?
Ocean sunfish. Ocean sunfish.
What sea animal is this?
Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab.
What sea animal is this?
Sand dollar. Sand dollar.
What sea animal is this?
Sea slug. Sea slug.
Wow, you did an amazing job naming all these sea animals. Thanks for joining our underwater adventure. See you next time.